At SAP, innovation is not just about introducing new technology. It's about helping businesses become autonomous enterprises that can predict, adapt, and act in real time. Here at Sapphire 2026, we are showcasing how autonomous asset management brings this vision to life in the context of a global sports event. Operating a mega event at this scale requires a network of agents collaborate across infrastructure, operations, and workforce management. SAP's Alert Processing Agent continuously monitors operational data and detects anomalies before they become critical disruptions. When a pressure deviation appears in the stadium water network, the operator uses Joule to launch an autonomous inspection workflow. Inspection robots navigate the infrastructure, capture real-time image and video, and within minutes confirm a small pipeline leak. Once the issue is identified, it automatically moves from insight to action. The maintenance request initiation creates an emergency maintenance notification while the field service system evaluates workforce capacity and priorities in real time. Joule recommends how to dynamically rebalance schedules so urgent repairs can happen immediately without operating and impacting critical operations within SAP Field Service Management. The Service Dispatcher Agent recommends the best available technician while keeping human oversight fully in place. The technician receives the assignment directly in SAP Field Service Management Mobile with access to work orders, asset details, digital forms, and the iDerm insights from Joule. On-site, every action is logged in real time for compliance, traceability, and reporting. And once completed, SAP Asset Performance Management immediately reflects the restored asset status and provides insight for future preventative maintenance. This is just one example for innovations we introduced here at Sapphire 2026, and we're working on many more every day.